This video shows you how to edit a legal discovery or deposition transcript that you get from Claudio. As you can see, there is a sample cover page already set up in this document, along with a section for appearances. When you scroll further down, there are tables of content that allow you to update for exhibits, undertakings, refusals, etc. These are tied directly to styles already embedded in the transcript itself. Next, you see a few macros that you can use to insert speaker notations, colloquy, Q&A, off the record, exhibits, undertakings, refusals, etc. Again, this is for a default discovery or deposition transcript. If you have a specific format template for your own company, that can also be set up directly on Claudio. Now we will scroll down to the actual transcript that was produced. You start by putting your cursor on the screen, on the point where you're starting. On the bottom right of the screen, you will actually see the keyboard keys that I am pressing to navigate the transcript. We usually recommend the control right and left arrows or the control shift right and left arrows. So if I use the control shift right and left arrow, I'm highlighting, so if I don't want to leave the word all right on record in the transcript, I can highlight it with the control shift right arrow and hit backspace, and I've gotten rid of the whole 4 words. As I'm navigating and I'm listening to the audio in the background, all right on record, thank you, good afternoon, Mr. Smith, you are here to be cross-examined, and you can use the end key if you want to go to the end of the line. I selected a full word, replaced it with 1. Now here I want to insert A. So the hotkey list is actually provided at the beginning. So if I want to put in an A, it's an Alt-4 as the macro. So when I put an Alt-4, it automatically inserts A in the format required. Alt-1 was for Q, so I pressed that and it took it to the next line. Alt-4 again for A. Q. So this is just showing you very quickly how that's done. If you wanted to put in a colloquy indication, so indicating that 2 speakers that are not in Q&A format are speaking to each other, you can scroll up and see the colloquy by itself. So questioning lawyer, responding lawyer. So this is Alt-3 and Alt-5. I'll use that as an area here. So if I did Alt-3, would do that. Alt-5 would be that. So you have multiple different layouts that you can actually configure using these hotkeys and macros. And so when you get the transcript back, it comes embedded with the hotkeys. Again, like I said, if you want specific different hotkeys, or if you want the layout for the same hotkeys to look different with different margins and different indents, that can also be done. We'll just scroll to the end of the transcript. If you're looking for an undertaking, right, so we'll just scroll down here, asking to do an undertaking. Yeah, it's fine. They confirmed it. Alt-U would indicate it, and then you go back to Q. So you're able to label not just speakers, but also indicate other activity notations through the transcript. Once you're done, please make sure that all the yellow fields are filled out. You remove this section, the template instructions, completely. And you save the document as a docx file, because currently it is a docm file.